Hello friends, when you start Windows, the Program Compatibility Assistant notification dialog appears. This dialog mentions that the module mdnsNSP.dll has been blocked from loading. This error occurs if an older version of mdnsNSP.dll Bonjour namespace provider is installed on your computer. It is a part of iTunes. The older version of the module is incompatible with Windows 11. To fix the issue, follow the steps. Click on Search, type CMD, select Run as Administrator, click on Yes, go to the video description and run these commands. Copy the first line of command, paste into the command prompt and press enter. In the same way, run the second line of command, paste into the command prompt, paste in. Copy the third command, paste into the command prompt, press enter. Close all the running tasks and restart your computer. This will fix the issue. If you still want to run iTunes, go to the video description and download the old version of iTunes from the link available there
and install the applications.
That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.